Hi besties, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome to today's video. So loves in today's one, it's my wash day routine. I did a 2 week challenge of using fenugreek seed on my hair, so it's already in the channel, it's up in the channel. Please do well to check it out. So right here I want to lose my hair and wash it. Okay, so I'm taking you guys along in my hair wash day routine. Okay, how I retain my length and the product I use for to stop hair loss, and we're going to do some hair oil treatment, some deep condition, and a leave-in treatment, okay, that will help you to control your hair shedding, okay, and give you that hair to retain your hair length. Okay, so if you're new to the channel, hello, hi, welcome. Thank you so much for watching the video. Thank you so much for clicking, liking, subscribing, and leaving your beautiful comments. And yeah, love, so let's keep on taking care of our natural hair, because our natural hair makes us beautiful. Love your natural hair, love yourself. Okay, love, so right here I am losing my braids, I'm losing everything out. Like, I carried the hair for 2 weeks, okay, and this is me checking my hair length. Like this challenge was really awesome. Check down, my hair grew, and you will see the results. So here are the oils we're going to be using for the hot oil treatment. We're using argan oil, black castor oil, we're using tea tree, we're using sweet almond oil, we're using olive oil, okay, we're using jojoba oil, and we're using coconut oil, and this is a little bit of amla oil, but I will just also add amla powder as well. So these are the ingredients we use for our hot oil treatment. Is already in the channel. The measurement of all I did is in the channel. Please do want to check it out. So clean bowl like this, I'll just add all my oils together. Okay, black castor oil helps to grow out your hair. It helps to stop hair loss. If you're suffering from any hair problem, try using black castor oil and cloves. Your hair will definitely grow. So I'm using coconut oil because it's a light oil. I just want to add it to it. Coconut oil too is good to help you to infuse any oils. So I'm using all these other oils. Tea tree oil is really nice if you want to stimulate your scalp and blood circulation. And this is sweet almond oil. Almond oil is really amazing for the hair growth. Okay, and here is another oil, argan oil. Argan oil too is good for your hair. Try all these oils out. I'm using olive oil as well, so you can skip one or two of the oil. If you don't have all these oils I have, you can use any oil you have in your house. The important thing is just to get that hotness of the oil, and helps to remove dandruff. It helps to remove build up. This hot oil treatment is really amazing. It also grow out your hair as well, because when you treat your scalp, our hair grow from the inner part of our scalp. So if you treat your scalp, you get a better chances of growing a longer, fuller hair. So right here I am parting my hair, and I also noticed that my hair is becoming a bit darker. Guys, let me know in the comment section, what do you guys think? Okay, so I'm just going to add the oils in my hair. Like, I'm starting from my scalp, then I'll also put it at the ends of my hair as well. So I got a question on my channel about my edges. Okay, just in case you were watching the video, please ignore my edges. Is growing out. If you go down in my channel, you will see that there's hair. That place that we are having little bit of hair, that place was totally skin. Okay, but hair is coming out there, so just ignore the front edges for now, because hair takes time to grow. Okay, like when you're starting to grow out a problematic area, it takes time to grow. Okay, so you have to put more pressure in that part of your hair, so that you will get that blood flow that is flowing in the rest part of your hair, that is making your other hairs to grow, so that place you can also get the same nutrients you are giving to your other hairs, so that place can actually grow. I hope that makes sense. Okay, so let's head back to the hot oil treatment. Hot oil treatment is amazing for your scalp. It helps to cure dandruff, itchy scalp, and as I said, I'm also adding the oils on my hair as well, at the ends of my hair as well. Let's also treat our ends, okay, because to prevent this breakage of a matter, of a thing, this breakage is always annoying. So but when you do all these things on your hair tends to grow. So right here I am washing it. I left that hot oil treatment for like 30 minutes. You can leave it for an hour, it depends on how you feel. So I left it for like 30 minutes on my hair. Then right here I am using my shampoo. I'm using the shampoo recipe is already in the channel. The shampoo, inside the shampoo we have dudu oshun, we have cloves, we have rosemary, and we have coffee. I have been loving coffee for quite some time, and I'm seeing amazing results about using coffee in my hair regimen. So if you've not used coffee in your hair regimen, try using coffee. It's really amazing and awesome for your hair growth. So I'm using my hair massager to massage my scalp. Okay, after massaging it, I will rinse my hair out. This is the deep conditioner we'll be using. It's egg, mayonnaise, and honey. The recipe is already in the channel. Do watch, check it out. So I applied this all over my hair, and I covered my hair. I left it to sit for an hour. After that I rinsed it out. Okay, this is an amazing high protein treatment. Okay, when you suffer from hair loss, okay, you need to balance your protein level of your hair and the moisture level of your hair to get that, to retain that hair length. Okay, so when you see that your hair is breaking, is not doing okay, you know that okay, either your hair is suffering from lack of moisture or lack of protein. So this is why I did this treatment. Okay, I did oil treatment, I did protein treatment, and also did a moisture treatment. Okay, like this is a full package if you get my drift. So after that I rinsed out my protein treatment. I'm just using a cheap free, cafe free, cellulite free condition on my hair. Okay, this condition is really cheap, it's inexpensive, but it does the job very well. Okay, I just use it on my hair and I'll rinse it out. So right here I am doing my hydrating treatment. Okay, which is I use coffee as usual. I use flaxseed, which is my favorite. Okay, I love using flaxseed gel. Alright, I don't know that thing that has gel apart from flaxseed, or okra has a gel, and aloe vera has a gel as well. So I always use flaxseed, okay, because I don't really have any reaction to flaxseed. So I use flaxseed, hibiscus, and coffee. This three combo is so amazing. The recipe is already in the channel. Do want to check it out, how I did it, how it turned out. So right here I'm just hydrating my hair. I'll apply this on my hair, put my oils, put my butter. This is a hydrating treatment. Okay, it's to leave your hair hydrated for a long time. I allowed this to sit on my hair for like 7 days, and the video of me getting my result of leaving flaxseed and coffee on my hair for 7 days will be dropping soon. Okay, so do watch, to stick around to the channel to watch the video. Okay, thank you so much for watching. If you watched this essence, like, yeah, I ranted a lot here. I'm just trying to explain everything about the treatment I did in today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Individually, these videos are already being dropped in the channel for more explanatory. Okay, so if you watch this extent, thank you. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video, share it, leave your thoughts, leave your comments. So this is my hair right now. I have applied everything on my hair. I'm gonna allow this to sit, then I will braid my hair in 1-1. I did like 1-1 braid. After I did that 1-1 braid, I will use the remaining treatment, rub it all over my braids, and leave my braid like that for 7 days. I did not add anything to my hair. I left my braid like that for 7 days. You'll be amazed of the growth I had. Alright, so I'll see you guys in my next video. Okay, love, so thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, besties. Don't forget that our natural hair makes us beautiful. Love your hair, love your natural hair. And my name is Naturally Jessie. If I forgot to say that, my name is Naturally Jessie. I suffer from alopecia. I am trying to grow out my hair. When I gave birth, my hair really cut, and I'm trying to grow out my hair. And Yeah, these are all my hair growth journey, my hair growth process. Yeah, and I'll stop talking right now. Bye, guys.